What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the cruiser vehicle, which is the '06 Ford Taurus. We're going to be going over the Alpine speakers for this vehicle. If you're wondering where the Ford Ranger is, check on the last video because it got destroyed. So this is our vehicle at the moment until the truck is squared away and the next vehicle for the channel arrives. And by the way, like I do with all the vehicles, I do keep them clean. So this one, I'm really going to probably have to wash this one today, but I try to keep it clean. But let's check out these speakers right here. So believe it or not, I have had these for a while. I had bought these for the last Crown Vic that was on the channel. Never got around to putting them in. And then we end up selling the Crown Vic and I still have the speakers. So I was going to give them away with the Crown Vic, but I was like, nah, I'll save them just in case I get a vehicle that I may need some speakers in. Now, in this vehicle here, the speakers are actually not that bad, but, you know, of course, you can always do some improvement. So we're going to take a look and see what's in the box, see how these speakers look. The only issue is this one, of course, this is basic. I mean, this is from back in '06. Now, it's not bad looking. It actually aged pretty well, but it doesn't have like where you can Bluetooth the phone or anything like that. So I know there are some adapters, or we could just change this out. I actually preferred the look of it. We just need that Bluetooth on here. And then we upgrade the speakers, at least on the front. Really not going to worry about the back for now, because I don't actually plan on keeping this. Well, we won't be keeping this long. So no need to do a whole, radio install and a bunch of other stuff. Because, like I said, these speakers, I've had them for a while, so this is, nothing where I'm spending any extra on a vehicle that I'm not going to keep. So I learned that a long time ago about spending money on add-ons on vehicles that you don't keep. But let's take it out the box and see what we have. All right, here we go. Now, here we go. So I don't see any like extra cords or anything. So this pretty much, oh, here we go. It's on the back. All right, well, these are the screws. Pretty much like it's a plug and play situation, which it should be pretty simple to do. These are 6.5, so if I'm not mistaken, it should work fine right here. Let's see. Now, today we're not going to be doing the install, so make sure you stay tuned for that, because guess what? All the tools are in the back, or were in the back of the truck. So I don't have any tools to take the door panel off, which we may just, yeah. I probably can locate a screwdriver, and the rest of it may just, pop a loose. Let's see, pop loose. Let's see, screw right here. So like a basic screwdriver. So yeah, gotta get some tools because everything was in the truck, and there's no longer. Yeah. All right. So nice looking speaker. Yeah, like a little small one right here. So it should definitely sound better, but we won't know until we get a adapter for the radio so we can hook it to the phone and actually put it to the test. So these are how these speakers look, if you're wondering. And then so we'll compare this to the ones that come out the car, size and of course the sound quality. Not bad though. So Alpine should, they make some good speakers. I have never actually, this is my first time using this speaker, so I'll let you guys know how that go. I have used Kicker before. It's like it has some 6x9s, I think it was, and they work pretty good. But this worked pretty well. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, if you have ever tried these speakers before. If not, let me know what you have tried. Let's put this back in the box so we don't get it messed up. Now, I will do a review on this vehicle just since it's going to be here for just a moment, just in case anybody's wondering about the cruiser car. That's what we're going to call it. Go ahead and bump some of this dirt off of it while we're outside already. did have to paint the rim. Of course, they had like, you know, the little light coat of rust, so to make it look a little bit better, I did go ahead and pull the wheel covers off and yeah, paint the rim so this will look a lot better. Just keep it clean from there. No dents or anything like that. The paint, of course, you know, Ford factory paint from back then, like to peel a lot, but other than that, no dents or anything. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. As soon as we get the tools, we're gonna go ahead and do another video on the install, compare those to the original speakers. It should sound a lot better. Like I said, it's not too bad. I've been in newer vehicles with, yeah, speakers not that well. So the speakers are actually pretty good that's in here. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one.